Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given 1 over 4 in bracket raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to 16. And we are expected to find the value of this x. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you need to do. Now, if you look at the left-hand side of the equation, you can see that the left-hand side is in exponential form, while the right-hand side is not in exponential form. So what we are going to do is we are going to rewrite this right-hand side to be in exponential form in the same base with that of the left-hand side. And the question is, how do we do that? There are a series of steps you need to take before you can achieve that, in which I'm going to guide you through. You understand? So let's begin. The first thing we are going to do here is to make this side to be in form of fraction, because we already have a fractional base here. So we have to rewrite this 16 in fractional form. Anytime you want to write an ordinary number in form of a fraction, just put over 1. So I'm going to put over 1 here. You understand? So now, the next thing we are going to do is to rewrite this in exponential form. Because we have base 4 here, we are going to write this 16 as 4 raised to the power of 2. You know, 2 raised to the power of 4 also give us 16, and 4 raised to the power of 2 give us 16 as well. But we are not going to use 2 raised to the power of 4 because what we have here is 4. So we are going to make it of 4 raised to the power of 2. So in place of this 16, we are going to write 4 raised to the power of 2. So we have 1 over 4, then raised to the power of x plus 2 equal to, in place of this, write 4 raised to the power of 2. Then divided by this one. We can also write this one exponential form as 1 raised to the power of 2. Why? Because we already have power 2 here, so we can just put power 2 for the 1. This does not change anything. 1 raised to the power of 2 means 1 times 1, which is still 1. Supposedly we have power 3 here, we would have put power 3 here. Are you getting me? So we are not wrong. All right. Now, if you look at the right-hand side, you can see that both the numerator and the denominator have the same power. Because they have the same power, we are going to apply something called quotient power law of indices. And what does it state? According to quotient power law of indices, anytime you have a fraction in which the numerator and the denominator are raised to the same power, we should simply rewrite the fraction in bracket and then raise them to the common power. Let me show you. This is 1 over 4, then raised to the power of x plus 2, then equal to, because the powers are the same, we can just write 4 over 1, 4 over 1. Then we raise them to the common power, which is power 2. Now, if you look at the two sides of the equation, you can see that the bases look so much alike, but this one is the reciprocal of this other one. What you are going to do is you are going to make them to be exactly the same. And how do we do that? We are going to turn this one upside down. When we turn this upside down, this is what you are going to have. Let me rewrite this. We have 1 over 4 raised to the power of x plus 2, then equal to, when we turn this upside down, we are going to have 1 over 4. And then because we have turned this upside down, the sign of this power will change. So it will change from positive 2 to negative 2. We're going to have negative 2 here at the power. Now, because the bases are exactly the same, they'll cancel. This one here will cancel this. And we have x plus 2 equal to this negative 2. You understand? Next thing to do is to collect like terms. We are going to move these 2 to this side of the equation. We are going to be left with x equal to negative 2. When this one crosses to this side, changes to negative 2 as well. So we are going to have x equal to minus 2 give us minus 4. And this is the answer to this question. What can you say about this video? Drop it in the comment section.